Basically, Ashutosh Industries is is the recyclers of hazardous waste. Now, you know what is hazardous waste? The one which we, any solvent which we cannot, spent solvents, which we cannot utilize again further with the intention for which they were at the start they were being used. So they become useless to use them further. So we collect such solvents from different companies like pharmaceuticals, paint factories, and we recycle them here. Now for this you require permission of pollution board, we require permission of explosive license we require, which we are having, and we then redistill it. We distill it. Distill, and when any solvent is distilled at its boiling temperature, you get the most pure form of that solvent. The solvent we will collect it, and the residue that remains will be utilized for the paints. Either for the paints, very cheap paints like like vitaminous paints, we can mix it and then use it. No need to, we cannot throw it out.
Yes.
And this solvent, we will be getting fresh material, mix it and sell it as thinner.
Yes.
Or strippers.
Even nail polish removers are they the
Yes,
same?
yes.
Same.
Nail polish remover is acetone or
Acetone.
ethyl acetate.
Yes.
So
they are all solvents.
the benzene, toluene, methanol, isopropyl alcohol, acetone, diacetone. There are so many. Methyl, ethyl ketone. There are so many. We use here around 20 usual solvents here. 20 solvents. We get it from big companies like Cipla or Procter and Gamble, Godrej and Boyce. Godrej and Boyce, what they do there is they use methylene chloride, and they before polishing their parts of locks, they will just first clean it for the purpose of removing dirt or grease, so that methylene chloride removes that. But methylene chloride becomes dirty. So what they will do? They just cannot throw it out. They give it to us. We will distill it, separate grease, oil from that, and solvent.
And use it back again.
They can use it back, or we will use it for FRP.
Fiber reinforced plastic.
In that, that is being used. Isopropyl alcohol and alcohols, ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. These are the solvents used in pharmaceuticals.
Yes.
We collect it and we will distill out, and we will use it for industrial purpose. Pharmaceutical solvents are used for industrial purpose.
So the cycle keeps repeating.
Cycle keeps repeating. Because if they send it to for burning purpose, again it spoils
air pollution.
Air. So recycling is the best process which we are doing. We have given certain processes to this pollution board, central pollution and state pollution. They have accepted it.
Because even the chemicals for according to marine pollution Annex 3, chemicals in package form we cannot dispose of. So suppose you're cleaning parts on a ship using chemicals, I cannot throw it out. So
that should not be
destroyed.
It's a crime.
Crime, yes.
In these days, it's just a crime. So you have to send it for either for recycling, or then if you cannot recycle it, then you use it for bricks making, blocks making, cement factories.
Wow.
Of course, there are also some processes required. Otherwise, burn. But don't throw it onto mother land. That is what we are doing. That's how we are helping the environment. So we use usually here is distillation, simple distillation.
So you have a heat exchanger and the condenser.
Now in this,
Oh, yes, I noticed that.
for the safety purpose. Now, how we will
Oh, this is a built-in pump.
compressor is outside.
Yes.
And then you put it here.
Just like a safety pump you put on board a tanker.
Yeah.
So you have to put air in.
Now, since
This is a built-in pump.
it was
A built-in pump. Air diaphragm pump. Two diaphragms are there. Balls are there over here.
it's safe for us. Now, since it was clean yesterday, that is the reason. Otherwise, just one worker, our operator will bring the barrel here.
Yeah.
It will drop the dirty waste here. He will start
Start
it
the compressor.
from here only, start the compressor. It will feel that this is the this is our reactor, and
You have
surrounding
coils.
coils.
Yes.
We use Hytham 600 oil. Which gives us temperature
So
up
it's a
to
thermal oil.
thermal 250 to 300 degrees we can heat it.
Ah.
So our usual solvents are maximum to 200 degrees, something like that. They will, yeah. Yeah, this is the condenser. Water is being circulated. Yeah, and from here only we will start
Yes.
so that there is no problem. And these are the solvents we will collect it. And after 3, 4 or after 1 month or 1.5 months, we just clean the take those residues.
Yes.
Which will send it for making paint.
Okay, so everything that comes out is used again.
Used.
Again. Oh, that's good.
That is how the pollution board gives the permission.
Permission.
No, otherwise they will say you send it to some burning.
Yeah, yeah. It was you want to incinerate it over there.
And then incineration also very costly. You have to send it to Mumbai. In Goa, there is no such incineration
For public.
Now, big companies like Siba or this Deccan and all, they might be happy. But
Local companies here in the. You have a boiler?
no, that is not. Again, I can.
So this is so. So this is thermal oil. Basically, they will heat the oil. The oil is the one that is going over there and heating, rather than putting a flame like a boiler, indirectly.
The solvent absorbs that heat.
Yes.
And this becomes little cold. So there is always difference of 3 to 4 degrees.
Yes.
And then the liquid vapors will
Correct.
this is the water for
Okay, the condensed
Condenser water.
Water comes back and it's pumping. This vehicle only.
to get the and manifest is that from whom we have collected. And passbook is there, stamp is required.
Do you make MSTS by safety data sheet? It's
Yes.
made by you only.
No, first MSTS we will take from that company
Correct,
what that material contains.
Yes.
What are the safety precautions? When they give it to us,
Yes.
they will have to pack it well, put this label there,
Yes.
with this guidance and all. And then
So when you give it back, it is the same whatever they gave, or you will make another MSTS.
we will give a fresh
MSTS.
If they want it back,
Correct.
otherwise we will use it for thinner particles.
Right.
We will use it for paints and thinners.
Right.
And then these are the underground tanks.
And to store all of this?
No, not to store this. We should have explosive license. This class A explosive license.
Oh.
Otherwise we don't give permit.
Okay. Because the solvents are so toxic and explosive.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Because this spent solvents are also explosive.
Correct.
You do not know what type of spent solvents will come. But whatever precautions that we take in
So once you have a class A, then more or less everything gets covered in that.
all the safety rules and all. Then again this
Fire line has to be
fire. Then all has been we take first explosive license we have taken, then we are going to
So it's only fire, or you have foam or something?
foam.
Oh, you have foam. The tank is there on top of it.
Now whenever some take fire is from there somebody smoke after that, we use our this pipes.
You
These
have
are the
a
pipes.
hose. Yes.
These are the pipes
Yes.
which will cover all our 1,000 square meter plot.
Yes.
Anywhere if fire is cut, we can use that. This is the tank.
Yes.
That is the
That's a line.
that's the line. And now what we did, when we bought this plant, another plant, same type.
This is
different?
No, the same thing.
It is almost same.
Yes.
Bigger plant, this is of 110 capacity. That was of 200.
But this bigger version of the same thing
Yeah,
over there.
same. Now, of course, they have done something more and then they have put it like working it also.
Oh.
And then with this, and we have more, something more quantity to this fish.
One, two, even
These are the two Again, this is item one. Same.
the same
Hello. By a big company. They started using this. We were taking expense on this. So naturally, they felt that why unnecessary to give us, they themselves will do it.
Correct.
They started doing it. They hired, they made this plant for them. They started doing it. But then within a year they found that it becomes costly for those companies. Those big companies,
Correct.
white versus,
Correct. I know. Right.
and then they have to drop theirs only. So then
Here you can more or less get from everywhere. Correct.
so we took it and we did it. So again,
Same.
these are-
Yeah. It's the same.
Here also, this is being done by pumping.
So you don't need. So here there is no built-in pump. There is no need to handle chemicals as much as you do. Over.
Yes. And then this is the air compressor,
This is the air compressor.
and this is for this.
The power capacity.
And these are flame proof. This is the air compressor.
How much does this? Almost 15. So almost 25 baht.
When I require this, only when I pump it. Otherwise I don't require
You don't
it.
require it. Correct. There's no need to complete that.
And the where we are standing there is the water tank. Storage water tank. And what did I do when I put this plant?
Yes.
I used it for circulation of water.
Yes.
There is no need of putting another tank.
Right. Very true.
And for drinking water for IDC one,
The same thing.
one tank is there, which we use for drinking. And from there, when it is extra water, it will come down, flow down here, and this will be circulated.
But this has all been more or less done by you.
Yes, sir. We were also.
That's
I
impressive.
brought some people from UB. I was working in UB there. UB.
I know. Yes.
So then I started it. From there also I got some people, especially foremen and all these things.
Because they have to know at least to
Yeah,
fix
they-
that. Correct. So you don't. There's no space wasted. Everything is built on. Very nice. Very nice.
Then I will show you more. What we do is we make edible inks.
Edible ink. And like they put in.
That is being used where when there is cake and coffee
Yeah.
to that
That printing on top.
printing to that computer.
Correct. I know. Then you can print your face. You can print your child's face.
FDA license system. For this part, I took FDA license and we do it.
And this is also made in house, or you get this?
We have made in-house. I mean, these powders,
Yes.
there are certain rules.
Correct.
These powders, then we know what is the combination, For this project specially, I got one person who had retired from USA, on Mr. Kamal. He has gone, must have died also. And then he gave us these all formulations. And then we continued. CMYK.
Yes.
CMYK. 4 types of colors. 1, 2, 3. Now, this, if you see, you find it is a reddish, but actually this is
Orange.
yellow color.
Oh, yellow color.
Yellow color.
Ah.
Yellow. It is yellow. So black, this is blue.
And then you mix and match these colors to give your other colors. So it's red, white, blue. Red, yellow, they will mix in the machine.
Yeah, they will mix
In the machine. Just
now,
like
now they say there are another two colors. Parties are asking two colors more, two colors are coming. But we are not yet. This is the two colors. Compatible with Epson and Canon.
Oh yeah, correct. They need four colors, just like a regular inkjet printer.
Yeah.
Ah.
I think there are only, I don't know what other manufacturers, which we don't know in India. But people buy from foreign countries.
And this is sold by batch? How does it
Yes,
by batch? By batch.
Now ITC is going with it. They wanted this 1 liter bottle. So all this food grade only we have, food class only we have to take this, and we need the certificates.
Okay, which is why this area is the cleanest. Okay. So the blender.
This is for cleaning.
Okay.
All this is.
So you have one person for this.
Yeah.
My father's brother used to work for the distillery, the sugar cane distillery. So he used to, more or less, it's the same thing.
There we did distillation of alcohol distillation from rectified spirit to extra natural alcohol.
Yes.
Honestly, distillation we started, but it is not possible here because of the pollution. For us,
Yes.
land is for us.
Correct.
It flows.
Ah.
In Maharashtra, it is not.
It is possible, not here. I think Karnataka is also possible.
So that is how I was doing it, and then I decided to start my own. First I started with alcohol, this thing, and thinners and all.
Yes.
And then when I knew that for all this you required such licenses,
Correct.
so bought the place here and started doing it.
Ashutosh, it's been such a pleasure. Thank you so much. And the kids also. Can we just take one photo while
So
we are
carry on the
discussing?
legacy. My son is there.
Oh, I know. So he is also by
I'm
training.
working in
No, in
there only.
ನಾಲ್ಕೈದು ಜನ ನಿಲ್ತೀರಾ?
Diploma in systems management.
Inko, papà. Quello però con tu. Vuole.
Could you please stand over here? Your students. Take it.